name is Golgi Apparatus, but some of you may know me as Golgi Body or Golgi Complex. Today I'm running to be your president. I believe that I should be president because I am a vital part of the cell. I modify, sort, package, and transport proteins. There are many reasons I would make for an excellent president. First, I package proteins and lipids inside of the cell and prepare them for movement out of the cell. Second, I am the UPS system of the cell. In other words, I deliver proteins to your body when you order them. Next time the UPS guy knocks on the door with your Amazon package, think of me. Third, along with proteins, I can create complex sugars in plant cells. These complex sugars are used by plants for energy and nourishment. An easy way to remember my function in the cell is to think of the Green Bay Packers. Simply replace green with Golgi and Bay with bodies and you get Golgi Body Packers. Easy, right? Here are some reasons I am a better candidate than my opponents. I would consider myself to be a more suitable candidate than ribosome because I will never be the cause of forming a disease involving memory loss known as Alzheimer's. I am a more appropriate candidate than cell membrane because I will never let in diseases such as cystic fibrosis, which causes harm to the cell. For those of you who don't know, cystic fibrosis is a condition in which problems occur with calcium and chlorine ion channels, leading to dangerous amounts of fluids and salts in certain organs. Those who suffer from cystic fibrosis caused by the cell membrane live only to about their 30s. I'm a more fitting candidate than centrosome solely because I will never be the reason behind developing cancerous diseases. I am a more suitable candidate than lysosome because I will never be the reason you develop a condition called Pompe disease. Pompe disease develops when lysosomes cannot break down certain macromolecules, causing the cell to end up with an unhealthy excess of those macromolecules. Muscle weakness is the result of this unhealthy excess. Pompe disease is progressive and unfortunately, thanks to lysosomes, only gets worse as time goes on. I'm a more appropriate candidate than nucleus simply because I don't let the bad guys in as the cell ages. Would you like it if people cared less about you simply because you got old? I think not. Just because something gets old doesn't mean you should care less or simply forget about it. Lastly, I'm a more fitting candidate than cell wall because I will never break, causing the cell to die of too much strain from high amounts of negative osmotic pressures put on me. If the cell wall breaks, causing the cell to die, then every single organelle within the cell dies along with it. Now that's a scary thought. Would you want a president who could at any second potentially kill you? I know I wouldn't. Vote me for your 2016 president and you will never experience a day without proteins again. I promise I will never, unlike my opponents, be the reason you develop Alzheimer's disease, cancer, cystic fibrosis, and Pompe disease. I also promise to not let the bad guys in as the cell ages and to not be a ticking time bomb who could potentially kill you at any moment. Thank you for your time and remember to vote Golgi Apparatus.